Hi, meet Jane and David. Jane and David are just like you and I want to save money. Even if you're trying to buy something and you don't need to, saving money still feels good whether you spend $20 less than normal on the items you buy regularly, or you're buying that special item you've been waiting for weeks or even months to buy for a discount. Even saving a penny feels good. Online shopping on places like Amazon and eBay can only help you save so much money and show you the best deal. And I know what you're thinking. There's got to be a better way to save money, but where? Millions of people have already turned to an extension called Honey to help them save some cash. What is an extension and how do you get started? Stay tuned for the rest of the video to learn how you too can learn what an extension is and how the Honey extension works and how easy it is for you to save money too with Honey. The question remains, does it really work or is it more trouble than it's worth? Let's find out in the rest of this video. Hi, Amy Hunt here, home business expert. I would like to teach you more about the Honey extension. So follow along. I'm not only going to teach you about the extension, I'm going to teach you how to install it. So the first question I want to answer is, where can you put this extension and what is an extension? Well, an extension is what I call like an assistant. It helps in the background of what you do when you're shopping. So where can this be installed? So it depends what kind of device you're using. If you're using a computer, a phone, or maybe an iPad, Honey goes on the various, what they're called web browsers. So you might be familiar with Opera, Firefox, Safari, and Explorer. So any of those extensions it can go on. Now, if you look below in the video, you see this little ticker that's down here. You can use that link and it's going to take you right to where you need to go to put that extension onto whatever device you're using. Or if you don't want to type that in, you can copy and paste the link that's going to be in the description below this video. So let's move on. An extension, it is going to work in the background as you shop. Okay, so whenever you shop, you can use Honey online. It works on thousands and thousands of different sites. Honey works while you shop. It finds discounts, it finds coupons. When you're shopping on one of Honey's sites, which include Nike, Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and thousands of other apps, stores, the app works in the background to find you different discounts to make sure you're going to make as much money as possible. So let's check this out. When you click on that link below, you're going to come to this screen. All you need to do once you come to this screen is click Add to Chrome or wherever it is that it's taking you to. If you have a problem loading that extension into whatever browser you're using, type in the comments below. I'll try to help you out here. This is a Chrome example. Honey is going to take you to the extension area, which is on your browser, and all you need to do is click. It's going to say add to Chrome. Okay, it's going to add it on there and then boom, it's done. That's how simple it is. Now once on your browser, this is where it's going to pop up on your browser. So all these little icons here at the top are called extensions and they're my little assistants. So how does Honey work? So you can see right here, this is the Honey extension icon on whatever tab that you're on. If I go over to YouTube, it shows that Honey doesn't work because Honey's not going to find discount coupon codes on YouTube, right? So I'm going to just go through some sites and you can see the address bar right here that work and how Honey works. Honey works on tons of different places. So let me just give you the basics of what Honey is. This is what Honey will look like once you click on Honey here. You're going to get like a search of stores. So if you want to go to Nike, you can type in Nike, but you're going to see what the stores are. This is my account. You can see right here that I have 793 gold. Well, you're probably thinking, well, what the heck is gold? Every time you shop on a website, for example, Nike, Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, whatever it is that you want to shop, Honey gives you gold. So they give you basically cash back in the form of what they call Honey Gold. So if you spend $10, depending on the store, you may get 1% back, you may get 10% back, 15. You can see if you click, it'll show you. So I have earned not 793 gold. Now that's just since I've cashed out. So let me show you what it looks like in my account. So if I go over here to my account, if I click on my picture, I can see what actually honey will do and how it works. So if I go over here, you can see the different tabs. I'm going to go to my honey gold. It takes me to my honey gold and it gives you an overview of my transaction history. So this is one thing honey does. It gives you a little bit of cash back for everything that you spend. You can see the different stores that I've used. I also have a referral link if you don't mind using that, which is in the ticker below or in the description. Every time somebody signs up for honey, I'll get a 500 gold pending, but if you spend or actually use the extension, I'll actually get 500 gold, which equals $5. So you can see that I did a transaction here of $60. I picked a gift card of Amazon. You don't have to. There's different choices of gift cards that you can get. And I send it to my email and then I redeem it. That's how easy it is. But you can see that I have 793 gold. So what does that mean? That means I get money back in form of a gift card. So let's go on to some more of the features that honey offers. It also offers a drop list. Well, what is a drop list, you ask? A drop list is, let's just say I go to Depot and I find an item that I'm not really sure I want to buy now because I've been saving money. I just don't like the price. So what it does on this drop list is it takes that item and it posts it to a drop list. So basically it's a wish list, but it's more than a wish list. It actually will notify me of the product when the price goes down. So check this out. Honestly, right before this video, I got an email and it says it found a price drop or savings from my drop list. So this bra here, it dropped in price and it shows you how much. So that notifies you on your drop list of items like that you want to get in the future. Now, when I went over there to honey and I actually sent out for the redeem the gift card, it resent me that Amazon gift card. So you can see right here that I have a $60 Amazon gift card, which would be equivalent to the honey gold that equates to the actual gift card money. So let's just take a look here at what you can do with honey. So I'm going to do some examples. I'm going to run through 5 stores. Let's just say you want a pair, and anytime honey works, it's going to work in the background. So now that I'm on Nike, you can see honey popped up 5 coupons. If you want to know what those coupons are, you can click on that and I'll show you that in a minute. I'll show you what it looks like at checkout. So if you want to know if you want to get a product, sure, if it costs $150 or maybe there's an actual discount that goes with it, honey's going to look all over the internet. You do not have to type in Nike coupon code anymore. Okay, so you can actually have honey work in the background. So here honey is. It pops up over here in the right hand corner. I'm just going to reapply the coupons. A lot of times if you go out of a store and come back in, you should reapply the coupons. It's checking for all the codes that it possibly have and the discounts and the coupons that are across the internet. It's going to tell me whether or not it works or if I have the best deal. A lot of times you already have the best deal. There's no coupons that go with that. Okay, so then you check out. I want to show you what it would look like on Amazon. Amazon, if you go up here, it's a little bit different beast, right? Because there's like tons of different sellers on Amazon. Some may have sales, some may not. So if you go up here to Amazon, you click on honey. There it shows you that there are 64 possible coupons and deals. It's going to just show you Amazon deals. It doesn't give you a whole lot of different coupons for individual products or stores. However, I want you to note that right here, if you go over to the product, and this is where you saw my drop list show up from, most of my items I got off of Amazon. So what I would do is save it to my drop list. I would pick the size, the color. You can change the number of days and you can change when you want it to notify you. So if you wanted to notify you if it goes at 10% off, because then it would be worth it, or maybe that's what you want to spend, then it's going to send you that email. So I could click save to drop list and it's going to send it over to my drop list. So I'd have to pick all that. So let's just look at what it would look like if honey did find a product. Let's just add this to cart, and we're using Home Depot, and you're just shopping and you totally forgot you had honey, right? Honey is going to work whether you remember work or not. it's working for you all the time. So that's what the beauty of it is, because I sometimes will like, oh yeah, I need to go buy, and I get online and I start to buy it, and I forget that, oh, I got to go sign in through a cashback website. Some of these websites you forget to use, although I do use a lot of them because I know there's good prices. Honey is reliable, and it's going to pop up every single time. It pops up when you click checkout, okay? Don't panic and think, oh, Honey's not working. If you see it light up here, that means it has a deal for that store, or it has something to look at. Now, if it's not associated with it at all, then this is not going to light up, just like YouTube. It's not going to light up. Now, it's shut down for a second because it's checking in, but eventually it's going to turn back on, and hopefully we're going to find some coupons here. So there it is. Honey pops up, and you can see that if I use and I order through here, and all you do, order through Home Depot, all you do is click claim rewards, and it dumps it into your Honey Gold account as soon as it clears. As you saw in my account, things were pending. As soon as your payment clears, a lot of times that's 30 to 60 days. Let's go to Walmart. Walmart's a different beast than Amazon. I don't know if you know that or not, but Walmart is like a ton of different people selling on there. They're trying to keep up with Amazon. So Walmart accepts, and I know this because I applied to Walmart, accepts different sellers. So you and I and John Smith down the street who has a business can apply to sell on Walmart. That's what Walmart.com is. You go to Walmart store, and they'll sometimes tell you, oh, you bought this at Walmart.com. We don't take those returns. Okay, so make sure you know that. When you're at Walmart, you click on that Honey. You're just going to find random that aren't too wonderful because Walmart is priced low anyway. But you can get a couple things. The same for Target. You're going to log into Target. We want this mask. We put it in our cart. We go to cart to check out and through and see if it's the best price or not. Oftentimes there's no sales. Okay, sometimes it doesn't mean it's the store. It might just be that product. The store may have a sale in a different section of the store. So don't give up if there's something that you want from that store. If you have any questions while you're watching this, please drop a comment below and I will help you out. I do want to show you that on the beginning of Honey, like when I dropped in, I found actual deals. All right, so Honey will give some deals. There's another Explore feature that if you go there, they'll show you some stores that are having special deals, or they have products, or stores that actually have like huge amounts of I know that Udemy, which one of my courses is on there, it's having a huge discount. And then earlier I was scrolling through because my son, and I found these bargain deals. So I clicked on this sneakers. So not only is it giving you discounts, it's going to find really good deals. Watch the section here. I'm going to show you how to find order for my son because he needs sneakers. So let's get a size 8, add to bag. And this would be like the actual shopping experience that I would have, or you would have when you're working on Honey. And you have to wait for load into your cart, and then you're going to check out into your cart. Okay, so it added to my bag. What I want to do, I'm going to go to checkout, but what I want to show you is the price history of this particular. That's another feature that Honey does. It shows you the price history. Let's go back, and if you scroll down, and this is how you know this is a really good deal. This price, probably as the inventory is going down, the price is going up. Here in the last 2 days or day, okay, this is May 20th, just today it went down, what, $32? So you can see that's a fantastic deal. So if you want to get deals and you want to find something good, check out Honey, the website. Okay, so this is the website, and then you have an extension which is up top. There's a difference. So let's just go back and check out, and I want to show you how this goes. I'm just going to use my PayPal. You can see as soon as I click PayPal, the Honey pops up. It will come back once you log into your PayPal. So you don't have to use PayPal. You can use credit card too. I just like to use PayPal because it keeps a good record. If I ever need to go back and do a return, I have everything there, and I have basically it's a centralized place for any credit card that I use. Well, hopefully this tutorial helped you learn a little bit more about honey. So let's just take a little review and see what we went over while watching this video on honey. Honey offers you, number 1, coupon codes. Number 2, it'll show you websites with discounts. Number 3, it's going to show you a drop list you can add products to. It gives you cash back in terms of honey gold, and you can take those honey gold cash back and get some gift cards. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert. If you want a more personalized experience, go to amyhunt.biz. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the circle in the middle. If you want notified of upcoming videos, just click on the bell and that will notify you of the videos that I release. If you have a comment or question, just comment below this video and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Again, thanks for watching Home Business Expert Amy Hunt, and see you on the next video.